Hi, dear DIY crafters. Welcome to PandaHall, a place where creativity and beauty meet. In today's video, we'll take you to discover excellence with PandaHall's curated selection of top-notch brands. You can purchase ultra-high-quality merchandise here to enrich your shopping experience. Made with the best locally sourced bohemian sand, Prechas crystals are famous for their unparalleled quality and luster. Prechas crystal components satisfy the internationally recognized environmental protection and lead-free certification standards, ensuring the highest quality. PandaHall is now an authorized reseller of Prechas for creators. Purchase without worry. LinkClom is a well-known brand in the field of jewelry-making supplies. It specializes in offering a wide range of high-quality products, including metal jewelry accessories, pendants, link rings, and chains. Their metal jewelry accessories are known for their fine craftsmanship and durability. Whether you are a professional jewelry maker or a hobbyist, LinkClom's products can meet your needs. The stainless steel pendants offered by Stellar are renowned for their durability, fine crafted details, and unique designs. In addition to pendants, their collection of rings is equally impressive. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they are resistant to tarnish and wear, making them a long-lasting accessory. PandaHall is now an authorized distributor of Stellar. Go ahead and explore the wonderful world of Stellar products at PandaHall and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Zest is a brand that specializes in offering a diverse range of high-quality jewelry items. They are well known for their exquisite cubic zirconia pendants, brass jewelry, and earring accessories. Feel free to explore the wonderful world of Zest's jewelry at PandaHall and enjoy the beauty and craftsmanship of these amazing pieces. Seabloom is a brand that is dedicated to showcasing the beauty of the ocean through its unique jewelry creations. It specializes in crafting one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces made from exquisite shells. The jewelry by Seabloom captures the essence and charm of the sea. Whether it's a necklace, bracelet, or pair of earrings, the shell-based jewelry from Seabloom is sure to make a statement. It allows you to carry a piece of the sea with you wherever you go. So, why wait? Uncover the beauty and charm of this brand's creations, and find the perfect piece of jewelry to express your style and personality. Shop with confidence at PandaHall and experience the joy of finding that perfect piece. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.